Good afternoon everyone, I'm Ian Scragg. I'm one of the directors and owners of Excel Residential Care and Emerge Care. We've been a really proud sponsor of the Jobs Fair here at Stoke-on-Trent today. It's been an absolutely fantastic day, a really good turnout. We've had lots of people interested in looking at some of the roles that we've got available in our residential homes and our registered school. If anyone wants any further information about our jobs that are available, please go onto our website www.emagecare.co.uk, and we're happy to work in partnership with the Jobs Fair and offering to sponsor future events too, so it's highly recommended from my point of view. If you're a company out there and you want to support new staff into the role, get yourself down to one of the Jobs Fair, you won't regret it. Thank you everybody.